Is the lighting good? I don't know. I don't know. Boy. Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup collection. Sorry if the lighting is sucky as crap. I'm either super white or super contrasted. Love life. So today I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna do my makeup collection. Y'all been requesting this, so I've been kind of like gathering some stuff. It's like one of my most requested videos of freaking all time. It's also like a little vanity tour because my vanity is lit. This company from Amazon sent me these lights. I will link them down below. These lights, they're so good. Not just saying that because they sent me them. I really actually enjoy them. They're only like 30 bucks. Worth the price. I've seen some that are like $180. I'm like, okay, I need to chill out. These are the perfect size. They're bright and they're not yellow because when the light is yellow, that's disgusting. They're LED and they shine like white, and they have like a long string in between them, so if you have like a huge mirror, you can also use these. But me, I have kind of a smaller mirror, so I just use the lights, but I like tape the string behind my mirror. I'll show you them right now. You would hardly recognize me. I'm so glad. Hey y'all, what's good in the hood? So these are the lights. They're gorgeous. Look at them, and they stick on freaking yes. Basically the like string is pretty long, so what I did was I just taped it behind here. So like the string was normally probably like this long, and then I would just tape these where I wanted and then put the string behind here, and they look stunning and they light up my vanity. It makes it so pretty. So yeah, this is just the vanity area. Well, the mirror. This is the mirror on my room. This is like a yellow light, and that's the light compared to them. So I really like these lights. If you want to get them, I'll link them down below. Go snatch. I really like them. Also, the lights, they have this button right here, and you just click them on and off. And I really like this, and then I just like tuck them back here. The giveaway winners will be in the description box down below because I still haven't decided who I'm gonna pick. It's really hard choosing, and I have like 11K comments, and that's a lot. But I like 2 people, but I don't know if those are the people. So yeah, that's just basically the intro of this video. Sorry, it's like 50 minutes long, but go get the lights. Go look down below in the description for the winner, and let's just get on with the video. Okay, so first I want to address that this is from Michaels. It's just a 5-drawer like slidey thingy, and I did this and I set it up. You can see me like set it up in like my Christmas decorating video, but that's beyond the point. But basically over here is my palettes. So first I just have some perfumes and lotion and these 2 little candles. Then over here are my palettes. I'm gonna set y'all right here, and hopefully y'all could see the palettes really good. Here is my Lime Crime Venus 1 palette. She's gorgeous. Look at her, yes. She has like burgundy colors in here, and then like pinks and browns, and like I don't know, just like I get like a burgundy vibe when I wear this. And she has a mirror. What's up? Next I have my Naked 2 palette, and this palette just like has a lot of shimmers. Next I have the Anastasia Prism palette. This palette is for like kind of dramatic looks. It has some more natural colors in here, but then it also has like really dramatic colors. Then I have the Naked Heat palette. This is just like everyday or like smoky looks. Then I have my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. This has like a lot of colors for making really creative looks. I have the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. That's what she looks like. I have the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. These have like super big pans. Then I have the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and this is like my biggest Juvia's Place palette, and the pans are so big. Then up here I have my Modern Renaissance palette. This is by Anastasia. This is like one of my favorite palettes ever. It's been used a lot, as you can tell. I have my Cute AF Yes Please palette by ColourPop. This one has oranges and yellows. The Morphe 350. And my beloved Jaclyn Hill palette. I love her to death. You can do infinitely many looks with these. Then I have my Morphe 35B palette. This just has so many colors in it. So that's all my palettes over there. Now I'm going to go into my first drawer. In my first drawer, I keep all my primers and like facial stuff. So right here I have these facial wipes, vanilla coconut, that my friend Alexis gave to me. I love these so much. They smell so good and they like get my makeup off too. Then in here I have all my primers and setting sprays. I have MAC Fix Plus, Urban Decay All Nighter. These are like setting sprays. I also have this Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. Then for my primers, I have Smashbox Primer Water. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I have this Neutrogena Shine Control Primer. I have all of the like Professional collection primer things. So this is the Pearl, this is the Matte Rescue, and this is the Professional. And these are all mini sizes. And I have my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, NYX glitter primer, the Milk Blur Stick, the Baby Skin by Maybelline, this e.l.f. hydrating primer. I have both of the Hangover primers. This one is a solid one, and this one is the Too Faced Hangover. It's like a primer and setting spray. So yeah, I'm low-key obsessed with primers. Now over here I just keep like facial stuff. And here I usually keep my free samples from Ulta. I have this Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, and like all my friends have this, so I think I'm like gonna actually go get like the huge size. Over here I have this Garnier Skin Active Argan Nut brightener. I don't know, it's like a wash. That's a cleanser. I have this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleanser. This is a sample that I got from Ulta. Then I have my Mario Badescu sprays. So I have the Rose Water, the 12 ounce. Then I have this Lavender 7 ounce or 4.8. What? I thought it was 7. Oh, I guess this is 4 ounces. And then over here I have like lip stuff. I usually have my Blistex in here, but it wasn't in here. I don't know why. I have my sponges. So I have 2 Morphe sponges, a really old beauty blender, and this little sponge I got from my grandma. And then I have this solid beauty blender cleaner that I got for a free sample from Ulta. I mean, Sephora. Then I have Neutrogena makeup removers. I keep my eyeshadow curler, not eyeshadow curler, I keep my eyelash curler right here. That one's from e.l.f. I have 2 free samples from Ulta. I have in here this one. I don't know. No. This one is from Dermastore. This is like for your teeth or something. And then this one is a body cream. Then I have a little Glam Glow hydrating mask right here. I have these 2 Sephora masks that I got from my cousin for Christmas. This one is Lotus, I guess, and this one is Pearl. And then I have my Cucumber Mario spray back there. And I usually have my lotion in here, but it's over there and I don't want to get it. That is my most full drawer, by the way. By the way, I got all of these containers from the Container Store. So in here are my foundations and concealers. I have this mini NARS Creamy Concealer. This is in medium, but it doesn't even work on me because I'm so white. Then I have MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I have 2 Maybelline Fit Me's. These are the matte ones. Then I have a Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. I have 2 of these Neutrogena concealers. These are like some of my favorite concealers. They're $10, but I really like them. And this is the lightest shade, Fair. I have this Maybelline 00B foundation. I have a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. A Born This Way concealer that doesn't fit me at all. Like, it's literally darker than my foundation. I have this Neutrogena Skin Clearing Complexion Perfector, and then I have this Neutrogena foundation. Over here I have my powders and blushes and bronzers and stuff. So first I have this Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder. This is my favorite like setting powder just for all over the face. I love it so much. Then I have Laura Mercier. I have Airspun and Translucent. I have this blush. It's called Blissful. It's from Tarte. I have this bronzer from Tarte. That's what it looks like. I haven't used it that much. It's Hotel Heiress. And then I have some samples. So I have the Makeup Forever color. I don't know what color this is. Then I have this. I got these free samples from Sephora. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This one is Milk Chocolate Soleil, and I wore it today, and it's so like good on my skin tone. Then I have an e.l.f. Creamy Contour Kit and an e.l.f. Powder Contour Kit. Then I have my Hoola bronzer, and I really love this bronzer. In my next drawer, I have my highlighters, glitters, single eyeshadows, highlighter palettes, brows. So I'm gonna start with my highlighter. So I just got this Fenty highlight and it is gorgeous. I'm wearing it today. Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust. I have some Becca highlighters. I have Opal, Champagne Pop, and Pearl. Then I have some ColourPop highlighters. And these are really pretty. I have Flexitarian and then some other ones that I got in a duo at Sephora. Not a duo, I got it in like a 3 thing. And this one broke and I'm really sad about it. Down there I have my e.l.f. in Moonlight Pearls. And then down here I have the Milani in 001. Over here I have some matches because I love to use matches like to light candles or anything. I have glitters that I got from Super Glitters. I have this mini eyeshadow palette from Morphe. This is the 3B palette. It's really pretty. I have this ColourPop X Laura Lee and it's 4 eyeshadows. And then I have a Chanel eyeshadow in there that I got from my friend. It's right here. It's super gorgeous. It's like a shimmer. Then I have the e.l.f. Duo Eyeshadow Kit in dark. I have my Anastasia Dip Brow in Debony. I have the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. I have the e.l.f. Lock On Liner in Espresso. I have 2 Benefit brow pencils. They're both in 04, or not 04, they're both in 4. Then I have the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony. I have 2 Anastasia Sugar Glow Kits. I have the Anastasia Sun Dip palette, and then I have the Anastasia Moonchild palette. And those palettes are freaking, I love them all so much. In my 4th drawer, I keep all my lip products. So I have the Fenty gloss. This is like the prettiest gloss ever. And then I have metallics and lip glosses and satin lips from ColourPop. I have my lippies from ColourPop. I have some randoms. So I have like these e.l.f. balms. I have NYX. I have Neutrogena. I have this mini lip plumper extreme from Too Faced. I have this Ulta lipstick, this NYX lipstick, and this Neutrogena moisture stick. Next, I keep all my NYX butter glosses. And here I keep all my matte lips. And in here I keep all my lip pencils, which I don't have a lot of. And then in my last drawer, I keep all my lashes and liners. So I have a Morphe gel liner. This one is super pretty. It's called Brownish. I have this black e.l.f. liner. I have glitter liners, like they're for your body though, which is why I keep them over here. And then I have the glam liners, which are really pretty. And then this liner goes over here. I have my Vivid Brights liners and just colorful liners, and then like black liners. So these are liquid, these are glitter, and these are like lip pencils. So most of these are from NYX, and then I have one Morphe one. Then over here are my lashes. I got these lashes from Zaful. They're super pretty. I have Art Wispies, and then I just like to keep all of my lashes in here. And some of them are around the house, which sucks. But those are Eyelure and Salon Perfect. And then in here I have all my mascaras. So I have a mini Troublemaker that I got from Sephora. I have a Real Lash. I have 2 L'Oreal Lash Paradises. I have 2 Better Than Mom Won't Let Me Say It. I have my favorite mascara, which is my Neutrogena Healthy Volume. I have a mini of They're Real. And then lastly, I have this e.l.f. volumizing mascara, and I hate this one. So yeah, that's all my makeup. I love my makeup so much, but now I'm gonna move on to my vanity. So on my vanity, I have this candle. It's called Mahogany White Hood. My friend Alexis gave me that too. I have my coconut curls, which I put in my hair every time I take a shower, and it makes it really curly and not frizzy. Over here I have just like a wooden thing that my mom got, and then I keep all my sunglasses in here. Over here I just have this little candle that I think looks real cute. Over here I have my Ariana Grande perfumes. Well, I have another one of these, and then I have the Ari too, but I just keep these over here because they're the same size. I have all my eyeshadow brushes in here. I have a little bit more, but they're from Zaful, and I didn't put them in here yet, which is bad. But I have a lot of eyeshadow brushes because I've always wanted to have just a whole bunch of eyeshadow brushes, and that's like my goal. And most of these are from Morphe, a lot of these are from Zaful, and then Elf and Real Techniques. And then over here is a Elf brush, it's like for your face. And then my E27, no, my E59. This is my favorite contouring brush. I have this fan brush from Morphe, and then I have this 510 from Morphe. Then over here I have this liner brush from Sephora that I use for my brows. I have this liner brush from Elf that I use for my brows. I have this concealer brush from Elf that I use to clean out my brows. And then I have this brow one from Elf, and I have another cleaning up for your brows brush from Morphe, but I can't find it. Over here I keep my jewelry, and then over here I keep a thing of Jolly Ranchers because I love Jolly Ranchers. And then I have my mirror over here, and she's from Target. And yeah, in here I keep my thing of like just the boxes, and then this is from Zaful as well. So that goes in here with all my makeup bags and like perfume boxes and just boxes, like random boxes. So here's a makeup bag from Anastasia, NYX. My cousin gave me this. It's from Vera Bradley. I got like this little thing from Benefit, a stocking. And then this is from Zaful as well. And then I have one from Sephora over here. This is construction paper. I don't know why it's in there, but I have one from Sephora. By the way, I painted this by myself, and then my dad screwed in, well no, I screwed in these, but he fixed it today because this was like all broken. And then this lamp is just from like, I don't even know where, but I just use it when I'm doing my makeup. So that's my makeup collection. I'm not trying to freaking brag. I paid for all of this, and I'm very thankful and grateful to have this. I have a bunch of makeup because I'm like a beauty guru, and yeah, that's why I have all this makeup, and I really enjoy doing makeup. It makes me really happy. So yeah, also sorry if my voice was like I'm like sick or something, or I get like this at night and I don't know. But yeah, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also turn on post notifications. I post every Monday and Thursday. I try to. Follow all my socials down below. They'll be in the description, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Just